I want to share a very important story with you today. It's a story I think everyone should hear. Before he died, a father said to his son, "Here is a watch your grandfather gave me. It's almost 200 years old. Before I give it to you, go to the jewelry store in the city. Tell them that I want to sell it and see how much they offers you." The son went to the jewelry store, came back to his father and said, "They offered $100 because it's so old." The father said, "Well, try the pawn shop." The son went there, came back. His father said, "They offered $20 because it had a scratch." The father asked his son to go to the museum and show them the watch. The son quietly questioned his father's judgment, but still willing to act on his last wishes, he went to the museum. When he came back, he said to his father, "The curator offered $375,000 for the rare piece to be included into their precious antique collection." The father responded, "I wanted to show you the right place that will value you in the right way. Don't find yourself in the wrong place and get angry because you're not valued. Never stay in that place where someone doesn't see your value or you don't feel appreciated. If you don't know your value, you will always settle less for what than you deserve. People who don't know their value settle for far less than what they really worth. In relationships, in friendships, when it comes to their profession or their jobs, they know that they are worth, but they still settle less for someone else's definition of their worth. That is the difference between the most people and the few people. That is the difference between who love the life they have created for themselves and those who can't stand the life they are living. You have to know your worth. Most people will allow you just by anyone about their influence of their perceptions to themselves, but people who love their life refuses to accept the opinion of small-minded people. They refuse to be put into the box. They will not be defined by anyone, they but themselves. They know their value is set by themselves, but they value their own thoughts, but who they think, not someone else's opinion, what they're worth. Don't let them put a price on you. You set your own price and don't go giving discounts to the other people so you can fit in or to be liked. People pleasers never end up in a happy relation. Put yourself first. You must build your self-worth by the work you do every day. You build it by your own way that showed up every single day, day in, day out. No excuses, no shortcuts, just a relentless dedication to be the best that you can be. If you have someone in your life that tries to diminish your abilities in any way, the time has come to move those people along. It's the time to awaken that part of you that demands the more from your life, because only you know what you are truly capable of. It's the time to awaken up and shock the world, shock those who doubted you with a disturbing level of determination, shock those who doubted you with a commitment to excellence they cannot be matched by those of a weak heart. Shock those who doubted you with the actions you take today as you draw a line in the sand and commit to become the person no one thought you could be, because only you know what you are truly capable of. In this world, you only have to earn the respect of one person. That person is you. You determine the level you demand of yourself. It's the time to demand more. It's the time to prove once for all who you are, who you will become, and what will you never settle for again. Rise and raise your standard. Rise up to the higher level and let no one question your integrity again. Day by day, brick by brick, you start now. You build your foundation set through your self-work you put in every single day. Build yourself up by becoming an unbreakable force, unstoppable machine, fueled by the results you get from the work you put in today and every day from this day until your last day. No more will settle less for someone else's opinion of your life. Now you determine your value through your self worth, your self education, your determination of your own destiny. The destiny that is in your hand, your pride grows stronger every day from the work you put in. The time for change is now. When it comes to your own self worth, there is no tomorrow. Know your worth and never ever settle for anything less.
Your worth and never, ever settle for anything less.